Top 9 stocks to buy now. Buckle up, financial adventurers. Today we're embarking on an epic journey through the captivating world of stocks. And trust me, you'll want to grab your investment hats for this one. Imagine yourself as a treasure hunter, scouring through the bustling markets, and we are your trusty map, guiding you toward the golden stocks that could be the crowning jewels of your portfolio. From tech titans harnessing the power of silicon and code, to visionaries electrifying the highways, and even mavericks unlocking the secrets of human health, we're diving into the realms of innovation, and oh, what a ride it will be. Join us as we reveal 9 remarkable stocks, handpicked for those who dare to ride the waves of the future. This isn't just a list, it's an invitation to witness history in the making. Let's get started. Number 1. NVIDIA Corporation. NVIDIA Corporation is a company that needs no introduction, especially in the technological landscape. They are the pioneers in the graphics processing unit, or GPU, industry, and their chips are highly sought after in gaming, data centers, and artificial intelligence applications. One of the remarkable aspects of NVIDIA is its continuous innovation. With the explosion in demand for data and AI services, NVIDIA's GPUs are becoming increasingly indispensable. Their recent advancements in ray tracing technology have made them the gold standard in graphics processing. Moreover, NVIDIA is strategically positioning itself for the future. They have made significant investments in autonomous vehicles and AI, which could be game changers in the coming years. With the acquisition of ARM Holdings, a semiconductor and software design company, NVIDIA is poised to tap into the lucrative market of CPU designs and IoT devices. This acquisition has the potential to create new revenue streams and reinforce NVIDIA's dominance in the tech sector. Number 2. Tesla Inc. Tesla's not just a car company, it's an energy innovation company. Led by the visionary Elon Musk, Tesla has been at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. Their electric cars are known for their performance and efficiency. However, Tesla's real value might lie in its energy storage and generation products. The development of the Gigafactory is a testament to Tesla's ambitions in the renewable energy sector. On top of that, Tesla is making headways in autonomous driving technology. With every new software update, Tesla cars are becoming smarter and more autonomous. This data-driven approach not only improves the driving experience, but also paves the way for a potential autonomous taxi network. The combination of electric vehicles and autonomous technology is set to disrupt the automobile industry, and Tesla is leading this charge. Number 3. Shopify Inc. The e-commerce boom is real, and Shopify is one of its flag bearers. Shopify provides a platform for businesses to set up their online stores and manage sales. It has democratized e-commerce, making it accessible for small and medium enterprises to compete in the digital space. Shopify's user-friendly interface and a plethora of customization options have made it immensely popular among entrepreneurs. Furthermore, Shopify is aggressively expanding its services to include fulfillment and financial services, thereby enhancing the appeal for existing and potential clients. The Shopify Fulfillment Network, coupled with Shopify Payments and Shopify Capital, positions the company as a comprehensive ecosystem for commerce. With more businesses transitioning online and the e-commerce space evolving, Shopify is well suited to capitalize on these trends. Number 4. Square Inc. In the realm of financial technology, Square stands as a formidable player. Founded by Twitter's Jack Dorsey, Square started by offering a simple credit card processing service. However, it has evolved into a multifaceted financial services company. Its flagship product, the Square Reader, remains popular among small businesses for its ease of use and affordability. What makes Square truly enticing is its Cash App. Peer-to-peer money transfer service initially, Cash App has evolved to include features like stock and cryptocurrency trading, and even a free debit card. With the younger generation leaning towards alternative banking solutions, Cash App positions Square right in the sweet spot of this emerging trend. As the lines between traditional banking and fintech blur, Square's integrated ecosystem could be a significant growth driver. Number 5. Moderna Inc. Moderna, a biotechnology company, skyrocketed to fame with its COVID-19 vaccine. However, the technology behind this vaccine, mRNA, holds vast potential beyond the pandemic. mRNA technology can potentially revolutionize how we tackle various diseases, including cancers, genetic disorders, and viral infections. Moderna is aggressively investing in R&D to expand its pipeline of mRNA-based therapies. As they continue to forge partnerships and collaborations, they're setting themselves up as leaders in the mRNA space. The success of the COVID-19 vaccine has provided them with the capital and credibility to pioneer new treatments that could change the face of medicine. Number 6. Adobe Inc. Adobe is synonymous with creativity in the digital world. From Photoshop to Premiere Pro, Adobe's suites of software is indispensable to professionals across a broad range of industries, including design, photography, video production, and marketing. Adobe's transition to the Creative Cloud subscription model was a masterstroke, ensuring a steady stream of revenue and enabling the rapid rollout of updates. In addition to Creative Cloud, Adobe's Experience Cloud is making inroads in the digital marketing space, providing analytics, advertising, and content management solutions. As businesses increasingly value data-driven marketing, Adobe's comprehensive suite of tools positions it as an essential partner for businesses looking to gain an edge in the digital space. Number 7. Nextera Energy Inc. Nextera Energy is a leading player in the renewable energy sector, primarily dealing in wind and solar energy. As the world gradually transitions away from fossil fuels, companies like Nextera Energy are set to thrive. They're not only generating renewable energy, but also investing heavily in energy storage solutions, which is crucial for making renewable energy more reliable and efficient. Nextera has an impressive track record of growth, and its commitment to further expanding its renewable energy portfolio is commendable. With favorable government policies and increasing social responsibility toward climate change, Nextera is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for clean energy. Number 8. The Trade Desk. In the advertising world, the Trade Desk is a force to be reckoned with. As an advertising technology company, it operates as a cloud-based platform that allows customers to manage data-driven digital advertising campaigns. Programmatic advertising is at the core of the Trade Desk's business. It enables advertisers to purchase ad impressions on digital platforms utilizing real-time bidding. With a proliferation of streaming services and connected TV, the Trade Desk stands to benefit immensely. They are investing in enhancing the platform's capabilities for connected TV advertising. As traditional advertising mediums like cable TV continue to decline, digital advertising is set to take an even larger share of the advertising market. Number 9. Palantir Technologies. Palantir is a public American software company specializing in big data analytics. Founded in 2003, Palantir software allows human analysts to explore data from a variety of sources, specifically in the intelligence sector. They have been vital in counterterrorism and even fraud investigations. Their two main platforms, Palantir Gotham and Palantir Foundry, serve a range of clients, including government agencies, financial institutions, and healthcare companies. What's fascinating about Palantir is its secretive aura and its involvement in solving complex, large-scale data problems. Their contracts with government agencies have long-term stability, and their expansion into the private sector diversifies their revenue streams. As data becomes the most valuable commodity in the world, Palantir's expertise in data analytics and processing can carve a lucrative path for the company. And there you have it, the top 9 stocks that are making waves in their respective sectors. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or concentrate on a specific industry, these stocks represent a mix of stability, innovation, and growth. Always remember that investing carries risks, and it's crucial to do your own research or consult a financial advisor. Happy investing!